Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how you can see the source code of your website, whether it is an HTML code, a CSS code, or JavaScript code. All of that you will be able to see it in this tutorial. Of course, I will show you how you can edit it, how you can modify it, and etc. So now let's start with going to wordpress.com/wp-admin, and from there a dashboard will be opened for you. So what you will have to do is, let's go for example first to our website to see how it looks like. So that's how the website looks like. If you wanted to see the source code of any website, like not only your website, you just have to click right click and then you can go to inspect. Just like so, you will be able to see the HTML code of this website, and here down below you will be able to see the CSS code, but you can't really edit it. Of course you can edit it for a while, like if I change something in here it will be edited, but let's for example change this one. So what I'm going to do is change the word here to hi YouTube and I save it. So what I'm going now to do is to refresh the page. So after I refresh it, it will be gone and it will be gone to the default settings. Now how can I edit this page? You have to be admin in the website to do so. So in our case, which is the WordPress case, we have to go to our dashboard, and from dashboard you go to appearances or the appearance, and then you go to theme editor. So by clicking on it, let's close this window here, and here we click on I understand. So here guys, you will find every source code of the website. So here's the assets, here's the CSS code, here is let's close this. This is the JavaScript code, which is the color calculations, customized controls, and etc. Here is some other CSS code. Here's some Java code, classes if you want. There is some PHP code if you want to edit some. There is other stuff. If we close this, there is like anything about your website, and I think you will find your HTML code as well in here. So yeah guys, that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.